My name is Sir Andikan, and I'd like to welcome you to this video where I'm going to show you how to register your free accounts on Pocket Option. Meanwhile, this video is part of the process to bring you into our binary trading challenge where we want to move from $100 to $1,000. That is the trading challenge, and it is totally free. The trading challenge, to join the trading challenge, is totally free. Now, for some of you that are exposed to, exposed to trading platforms, you will be aware that there are many trading platforms out there to trade binary, options, but then perhaps Pocket Option is the best, or rather, we will just be sticking with Pocket Options for this trading challenge. And that is why we like that you register your account on Pocket Option, because again, Pocket Option, with Pocket Option, our funds will be safe. Yeah, our funds will be safe, and we can easily deposit and very easily withdraw our monies at any point in time. Yeah, we can easily deposit or withdraw at any point in time. And then with Pocket Option, of course, we trade currencies, indices, stocks, commodities, and other things. We'll get into more in-depth explanation about how these things work. We'll be holding you by your hand and showing you everything bit by bit what you need to know. So right now, to guide you through the registration, this link on my screen would have been provided for you from whichever platform you are joined or you learned about this trading challenge. Or if you're watching this video on a YouTube channel, the link will be dropped in the description. And so you just get to the video description below this video right now and click on the link to register so that you can join this challenge with us. To join the challenge, the trading challenge is totally free of charge. I'd like you to remember that. Please don't pay any money to anybody because you will be joining the challenge for free. However, you need to register an account with Pocket Option. So please click on this link on the screen, this link on your screen, or click on it on the description of the videos. I'm clicking on the link right now. All right, it's loading up. It's coming up. Seems my network is a little bit slow, but we'll wait for it. All right, we're almost there. Okay, we are here, and it says welcome to the cutting edge trading platform. And I'd like us to remove this message by clicking on this close button over here. So just click on that close button over there, and then this guy will be out. All right, having done that, the next thing I'd like you to do right now is to come and click on this dummy here. Click on this dummy because we want to register an account. I'm clicking on the dummy right now. Yes, and it opens up. We are looking for the option that says registration. And unfortunately, at the time I am doing this video right now, it seems that someone had touched the code for this website so that this word, which is supposed to be registration in English language, is reading Registresen. All right, probably that is a German language. I don't understand how to pronounce that, but then that is supposed to be registration, and I like that you click on that link which says Registresen. All right, whatever that pronounces, but it's possible that when you're watching this video, you'll be finding registration. So please just click on registration because we are to register. So I've just clicked on registration right now and it's opening up. All right. Awesome. So it has opened up the Pocket Option registration page for me. So I will input my email address here that I want to use with this trading platform. I will input my password here, and then I will click on this to say I have read and accepted the agreement, and then I will check that I am not a robot. So I'll quickly enter my email address right now. My email address, I'm not using the one I've been using before. I want to have a new email address there for demonstration purpose. My email address is set. My password, what do I use right now? Let's say ABCDE12345. Now that's my password I'm using for this demonstration purposes. So please don't go and use that as your password so that your account is not easily compromised. Okay. Now, when you have done that, I'd like you to click on the checkbox here. Click on the checkbox there. And then finally on this, okay, not finally now, you click on that you're not a robot. Once you click on that, it's going to bring up this captcha for you to solve. For my browsing session, it says select all images with motorcycles. So I'm going to select all images with motorcycles. And for your own case, it might be telling you to select a different thing. So please read the instruction up here. And when it opens this place, just read the instruction up here and solve the captcha so that you can proceed. So right now, having selected all images with motorcycles, I can simply say, click on verify. All right, to verify that I am not a robot. So I'm verified, I'm not a robot. So finally, I can now click on sign up, sign up. All right, so I'm signing up right now. Awesome, awesome. My sign up is going through. All right. So at this point, when you are at this point, I'm not saving the password. So you want to remove this message again by clicking on this close button. Yes. And then at this point, I'd like to say congratulations. You have successfully opened a Pocket Option account. Yes. And however, very quickly, I'd like that you do a few things on your Pocket Option account. So click on this this dot here. Click on this dot here with me. Let's do a quick setting. Okay, and then click on this option here that looks like a chat. Come in. When you click on that, it's going to show these options. And then I like that you click on candles. Candles, yes. And then when you are done, you can click on anywhere else on this screen, not in the options. You can click anywhere over here, or you can click anywhere down here to remove that message. So I just clicked on anywhere outside right now, and here I am. All right, so I am now on the trading platform, and I'm having the candlestick show up the trends and other things. We'll come to that very quickly when we begin to, or before we trade. We'll show you what you need to do and what you need not to do. However, having successfully registered, you need to quickly come here again, back to the dummy, click on that, and then click on, where is it now? Profile. Click on profile. Here is profile. Okay. So I'm clicking on profile now. And then you click on trading profile. Trading profile. Okay. When you click on trading profile, you will see your user ID. This is your user ID here. And this is also your user ID. So I like that you copy this number this very number for me, your ID, so that we can verify that you are eligible to be added to the free trading challenge group. When you copy this, your user ID, and send to us, we will verify that you are eligible to be added to the free trading challenge group. Now, if you were watching this video from a WhatsApp platform, you know how to send this ID to us, to the WhatsApp admins. But if you are watching this video on YouTube channel, you will send it as a DM. You'll send it as a DM, or you make it as a comment. You can comment your user ID and we will pick it up from there, or you can send a private message and we'll pick it up from there. However, we will also leave our WhatsApp number on the video description. You can chat up that number on WhatsApp and send your user ID so that we can add you to the free trading challenge group. All right, so all you needed to do is simply, copy this number I'm holding up right now. I've selected it and I've copied it, and then you send it to us. So that will be all for now on this particular video. On the next video, we will show you how to verify your account. So please go ahead and watch the next video right away.